Now nation, we're at it again once more with another dancehall update. And people, you don't know, it's about Vybz Kartel, the dancehall extraordinaire. And basically people, Vybz Kartel gave a salute to his attorneys and his legal team. Yes, so I say people, yeah, and that we come for talk about. See, but before we get into the topic, remember to like the video and get the notification bell so you can be notified when we drop new videos. See, people? Now, when I see a screenshot right about now, this was from Vybz Kartel's Instagram page, and we're gonna read out what him say. Him say, big up the actual lawyers on this appeal. He stated their names: Isaac Buchanan, John Clark, Alexandra LaBeach, David Hislop, Julian Mullins, and Hugh Southey. Seen? And he captioned that and he said, no auto parts, hashtag freedom24, hashtag God and time. So me I say people, Vybz Kartel has been using those hashtags frequently since 2024 has begun. So me I say people, trust and believe me. Yo, you have to comment Vybz Kartel when it comes on to certain things. This man respects each and everybody that acknowledges his freedom. And when he stated these attorneys' name, it just goes to show you, say, listen me, he has the highest level of respect for these attorney, each and every one of them. You see him basically state them name, so he was being specific, you know what I mean? Because we all know that in a few days Vybz Kartel will be a free man. Next week them time, yeah, Jamaica is going to be in a frenzy. And trust me, when people look back on this video, probably all 6-7 months after this, them are gonna say, yo, the youth is like a YouTube prophet, you know. That them are gonna say, them are gonna declare me as the YouTube prophet, you know. So yo, the brother here, him foresee some things where actually came to pass. You see me I say, and Vybz Kartel freedom are one of them. I always advocate for Vybz Kartel freedom. I always advocate for Vybz Kartel. In a sense, I always advocate for Vybz Kartel because trust and believe me, he's a ghetto youth where every ghetto youth look up to. You know what I mean? And I want to make you know, say, since, alright, I say something to you, nation, listen to me carefully. A lot of people may say this and that about Vybz Kartel, but you don't know, say, since this whole ordeal with Vybz Kartel being incarcerated and the whole court thing and this and that, and him being, you saw me, I say, sent away for 35 years, you know how much fans Vybz Kartel has amassed from 2011 until this very day? Millions. You notice me never say thousands? You notice me never say thousands? Me say millions. Millions of fans he has gained from just look and throughout the whole thing, from them whole on him and them back and forth to court for bail, and then he got charged, and then the court trial, and then he got sentenced, and then you saw me I say got 35 years, and he went to prison and been fighting for his freedom, and throughout his whole ordeal he has amassed millions of fans. So just imagine that stage show. Come on people. Last night me and an individual stand up and I talk about it, and I was stating some places where probably them can keep the show, and I said that Plantation Cove was one of the perfect spots where them could have, cause not Plantation Cove, I'm sorry, the Chilani Multipurpose Stadium that was built for the 2007 World Cup cricket. I was stating to the individual that venue would be a perfect venue for Vybz Kartel concert, and he was saying, yo, trust me, that's too small. Them need somewhere more, you know what I mean? I say huge. So me I say more huge than the place. That the venue they're too small for the crowd there. The crowd capacity, Chilani Multipurpose Stadium can't hold the capacity of fans and people who are going to turn out for this show to see Vybz Kartel in live and living colors. You see me I say? And Vybz Kartel bigging up the attorneys is a good thing. It just goes to show you, say, you see me I say, he's grateful. He's really grateful for their assistance in presenting his case. You see me I say, towards the Privy Council representing him. You see me I say, despite the fact that his character has been demonized by society, circled out as a villain in the eyes of society also, and despite all of that, These attorneys still represented Vybz Kartel and defended his freedom. You see me I say? So what you are going? When me use the word assist, I don't want nobody, because you have some people out there will say, oh, Sleek, I say the lawyer them assist the man when I pay the man, pay them. Yes, he paid them, he hired them. You see me I say? For their services. But in the same breath of fear, they're assisting him with bringing through certain procedures, certain form of documents, certain form of informations. You see me I say? You don't know. It has to be relayed through the attorneys. So they're assisting him. He can't do it himself. So they're assisting him. So I have to clear that up a while ago. Because I know someone who stay and love running a comment section and said this and that and yada yada yada. Anyways, people, trust and believe me, just look out. I'm going to drop a whole heap of update next week up until the day where the decision is handed down. I'm going to make videos go right up until that day. Because trust and believe me, I have to keep on up to date. Yes, so I say I have to keep on up to date. Yes, so I say big up Isaac Buchanan and the rest of attorneys and the legal team. Bert Samuels also. Yes, so I say and each and everybody where. Yes, so I say represent and advocate for Vybz Kartel freedom. Because trust and believe me, people, the fans them anticipate his freedom. The fans them anticipate seeing him, his family, his friends. Yes, so I say his kids. Yes, so I say everybody's anticipating to see Vybz Kartel once again. Yes, so I say people. So I just one of them thing there. Yes, so I say we always are gonna represent for Gaza. Seeing one of them thing there. So people, you don't know, yes, so I come run left for now. Yes, so I say cause you don't know. This was just a quick update for make you know what go on. Seeing? So this is where I'm going to end the update. Hope you guys enjoyed it to the fullest. If you have anything to say, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I never can tell, probably your comment can spark a next update. Remember to watch the video, like the video, share the video, watch the playlist, like the playlist, share the playlist, and don't forget, watch the ads. Seeing people. So until the next time on the next topic, I'm out.